Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Kia Sportage radio. Resetting your radio can often fix minor glitches, frozen screens, or unresponsive controls, bringing your system back to normal operation. We'll cover simple methods you can do yourself, which are usually quick and effective for common issues. Understanding these steps will help you troubleshoot your system efficiently and get your audio back on track. For a quick soft reset, locate your radio's power button, which is typically a knob. Press and hold this button down for approximately 10 seconds. You'll see the screen go blank and then restart, which often clears up minor software glitches or temporary freezes. This method is safe, easy, and usually the first step to try when your radio isn't behaving as expected. If a soft reset doesn't work, you can perform a factory reset through the menu. First, access the system settings on your Sportage display screen. Look for options like System or General within the settings. Then, find and select Factory Data Reset or a similar option. Confirm your choice, and the system will erase all personal settings, returning to its original factory state. For more persistent problems, a hard reset by disconnecting the battery might be necessary. Carefully disconnect the negative battery terminal for at least 15 minutes to fully drain any residual power. Reconnect it securely afterward. If your radio still has issues after trying these steps, it's best to contact a certified Kia service technician. They can diagnose more complex electrical or hardware problems safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.